Hi there, this is Jen. I just have a really quick video today. I'm going to show you a few cards, and these cards are Christmas cards that I am actually creating during the Card Maker Success Summit. If you're not familiar with that, it's a free 3-day event. I believe there are 30 presenters in all, and I have watched this the last couple of years, and this year I am actually presenting. So it was super fun. And again, this is a free event, and what the free pass gives you is basically 24 hours for each video. So during each day, there's probably about 10 videos, and so as each video is presented, you have 24 hours from that time to go ahead and watch the video on the free pass. There is a VIP pass, however. If you choose to purchase that, you will have a lifetime access, which means you can rewatch it, refer to it, go back if you miss things, and just kind of have a little bit of a slower pace than with the free pass. There is an early bird special that is going on until the 9th of August. The event is August 10th through the 13th. I will leave links below so you can choose whatever option you wish. And also, as a side note, with the VIP pass, you also get immediate access to the videos. You don't have to wait until the 10th. You will get those access immediately. You also get a virtual crop, a 300-page workbook, and for my presentation, I'm giving away a free resource, which is kind of some tips on how to get your mojo back. And then I'm also giving away for the VIP members a digital paper pack. And the second card with the 25 on it, the papers used in that, the pattern papers, are a digital paper pack that I created. And that is my VIP contribution during the summit. So I hope you can join me and all of the other presenters. It really is fun. And the cards that are being created are Christmas cards. So this is a great way to watch a bunch of your favorite card makers and get lots of ideas on those Christmas cards. So I hope to see you there. And thanks so much for joining me today. I hope to see you next time.